Hello everyone. Today we shall go through the process of applying for scholarship application through Social Justice and Welfare Department scholarship schemes. So first of all, in order to get into the web portal, open your preferred browser and type in the URL, that is socialwelfarescholarship.sikkim.gov.in, and once you enter it, click on enter. Now as soon as you click on search or enter, a landing page of Sikkim scholarship portal for Social Welfare Department shall be displayed to you, as you can see on the screen. In the portal, you will be able to view the details of scholarship that are active in terms of post-matric and pre-matric schemes, along with the latest announcement section and details of the department at the bottom of the page. Now, in order to apply for this scholarship, you can head towards the students section, as you can see with the red button at the top right corner of the landing page. So in order to apply for this scholarship, you can head towards the student section and sign into your account. Now, in order to move into this student section, you can just click on it. So once you click on student section, you will get to find two options. The first is SSO login and the second one is SSO register. So if you have already created your SSO profile, you can get ahead with SSO login and sign into your account. But if you have not yet registered into the portal, the first thing you need to do is to register yourself into the portal. And to do that, you can go to SSO registration.
Now, once you enter the registration page, you need to enter your username, gender, first name, last name, email, mobile number, password, confirm password, and the CAPTCHA, and hit the register button. In order to verify your account, an activation link will be sent to your registered email account. Once you receive an email, click on confirm account and your account should be activated. And finally, you'll receive a message of verification of your account, hence completing our user registration and account activation process.
So once you have registered into Sikkim SSO, now you can go back. Now you can go back to the portal with the same URL, that is socialwelfarescholarship.sikkim.gov.in, as you can see on the screen, and just enter it again. Now once you do that, you can move ahead towards student section and click on SSO login. Now once you click on SSO login, a login page shall be displayed where you will be required to enter your username. It can be email, mobile number, and then enter your password. So I shall enter my details and click on login. So once I click on login, you will be redirected towards students dashboard in the scholarship portal, where you will be able to find the list of documents, as you can see on the screen, that are required in the form filling process, along with apply for scholarship button, which is marked in red, as you can see on the screen, and also the date of application, and also the active date of application, that is the start date and the last date of submission for a particular scheme. So if you've already applied for a particular scheme, you can just check your status by going into check status. Now, since we are considering that you are applying the scholarship scheme for the first time, so in this case, we shall move ahead with apply now. Now, if you've already read all the required documents for the form filling process, then you can move towards apply for scholarship scheme. Now, once you click on apply now, a check eligibility page shall be opened, wherein you will be able to enter your basic details such as schemes, caste, percentage obtained, annual family income, and so on. So enter all the details and click on submit button. So I will be entering my details. Make sure your details are valid and does not include any type of error. Once you do this, you can just click on submit. Now, as soon as you click on submit, based on your eligibility criteria, the list of schemes shall be displayed to you on the screen. In my case, post matric scholarship for ST student is what I'm eligible for. And also the start date, that is the active date for the application or online application, will also be displayed to you. That is from 8/10/2021 to 30/11/2021. So in order to start with online form filling process, you can click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, an online registration form shall be opened, as you can see on the screen, wherein you will be able to enter your details and submit your online application for your concerned scholarship scheme. So before you start filling up the application form, make sure all the fields that are marked with star are entered, as these are mandatory fields. So you can start by entering your details. Now enter your place details and check the box for declaration that you accept, and then click on save as draft and proceed. So once you do that, a documents upload section will be opened, wherein you will be required to enter your document as per the scholarship schemes. So enter your documents. So once you upload all your documents, you can either change or click to view or download the documents if you want to verify it. If you verified it, you can move with save as draft and preview. So once you click on save as draft and preview, your entire application form will be displayed, as you can see on the screen. You can also view the documents that you have uploaded. Now, now if the details are okay and you have verified it, you can just click on final submit. Now once you click on final submit, the application will be submitted and you will be shown the information on your screen.